process nila doon. Tinanong kita kanina, sino ang appointing authority? Yusek ng ASEC, ano sagot mo? Secretary. Hindi mo alam. Kita sumagot. Camera. You need to reconsider that extension of your detention. It was illegal in the first place. You asked the president why he accepted the resignation. Do not ask due process. I think the proper remedy is for you to go to the court. Do you really want to show the Filipino people kung anong kaalaman ninyo sa batas?
Ang sinasabi ko lang po ay sundin po natin yung batas.
Kaya nga sir, sundin natin yung
Kasi
batas.
nandito po kayo dito sa bahay na Torres.
Yes sir, sundin natin yung batas. Why will you penalize, punish Yusek Lopez for an act of the president? Tinutulungan ko lang kayo sir, kasi napapahiya ang Pilipinas. Ganito ba ang House of Representatives?